Good morning. Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 4th, Thursday morning, and we just got the release of the weekly export sales numbers. We did sell some corn this week, 326.9 thousand tons. The trade was looking for 200 to 400, so certainly in line there. Soybeans, 800 to 900 was the expectation. We came in at 1.303 million metric tons sold, most of that going to China. And wheat, 450 to 575 was the estimated range, came in below the number there at 307. Grain markets have rebounded since this number came out. They were stronger overnight and bouncing off of the weekly lows that made earlier here. But the reasons continue to be many. As we talk to people trying to figure out why markets are higher here today, many are saying it's an oversold market. The reason for a turnaround here, funds have basically stopped selling, is another reason for this rally here overnight. And we're starting to see barge freight drop, which means that there is some activity in end user buying and demand at the Gulf. So seeing some strength in the cash market as well, basis firming there. Lack of farmer selling is also providing some support as harvest is progressing very rapidly. Many expect that we could be 2/3 done in corn this week and as much as 50% done in soybeans when USDA gives us his numbers on next Monday. The Chinese are still out of the market this week on holiday. They've got the Golden Week celebration that'll go through the end of this week. We also seen yesterday that Egypt had bought 285,000 tons of wheat, and that was priced at $15 a ton cheaper than U.S. wheat. We've also got the U.S. Grain Council today that will be holding a news conference, and they'll be giving their opinion on what they believe that China's corn crop was this year. So that could have an impact here as they come out with the information here later this morning. Weather conditions, as far as growing conditions in South America, Brazil especially, where it's been dry, they're getting some rain, and looks like it is pretty ideal for planting down there at the moment. But as we go through the growing season, if we don't hold an excellent conditions for the growing season in soybeans, you're going to see some volatility come out of that, as we've got extremely tight supplies of soybeans here in the U.S. and in South America this year. The ECB did keep their interest rates the same, so that provides a little bit of support to the euro. The dollar is down this morning, and basically because the euro is stronger, and the optimism there continues that things are going to be okay, and we'll see the market or the economy settle down. Although the ECB is waiting for Spain to come forward and ask for more money, is what the intentions are there. In the livestock trade, markets are under pressure here this morning as the grain prices are higher. We see cutout values in beef up 77 yesterday in choice, up 21 in select. Pork cutout values were lower by about 79 cents yesterday. That was after a sharp $3 run on Tuesday, so not a significant number there. But we're seeing some retracement there as the higher grain prices and traders adjusting spreads. The livestock producer is still struggling with profitability as he goes into the fourth quarter, the November, December time frame especially. The calculations there look for some pretty red numbers for the pork producer especially. So expect a little bit of a setback here in livestock and the hogs as they are a bit overbought. The cattle, on the other hand, are waiting for a cash trade. Here they traded at 123 last week in the cattle. We expect to see at least steady here today, but we'll see where the demand comes in and where they trade here later today. So look for some volatility here, getting a rebound in grains as we're now starting to run into some resistance. Stay in touch with Allendale's research, and we'll try to keep you informed the best we can. If you got any questions, give us a call at 800-262-7538. And don't forget to sign up for the conference coming up here in January. We got a good group signed up already. We appreciate that, but there's an opportunity there to get some facts from a lot of key speakers. So have a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.